Hey everybody, and welcome back. If you're looking out to remove the sound when sending text on your Android device, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So let's just get started. For that, you can start by opening up the messaging application for your particular device and just go over and click on the three dot in the top right and select it. And once you select it, you can just go over and look out for the settings. And within there, look out for the option of notifications and tap on it. When you tap on notifications, you should be finding different options, including an option called notification categories or a similar option. You can tap on it. And after you tap on it, this is where you will be finding different categories. So you just need to go over and look out for the sound option if available. You can just go over and silent it. You can look out for general notifications. You can turn it off or basically look out for this alert section and tap on this option of deliver quietly so that it will remove the sound when sending text on your Android. Or you can also completely silence your phone's notifications on your system wide. So for that, you can just go over and access your notification panel and just go over and find the option for do not disturb and turn it on. If you turn this option on, this will allow a menu to call calls from certain contacts, for example, and only that will be able to do so. And that's it, everybody. You can just go over and follow up this process to mute sounds and vibrations except for alarms or specific exceptions you set up. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.